In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write code in Notion. Whether you're a coding enthusiast or a tech professional, Notion provides a seamless way to incorporate code snippets into your documents, making your workspace both dynamic and functional. So, let's dive in. First, head over to your connected Notion workspace. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing your information, be it a personal wiki, project documentation, or any collaborative endeavor. Once you're on the main page, log into your account. Simply click the Login button. If you're new to Notion, you'll need to sign up first. But assuming you already have an account, just enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your Notion home. Now, you're logged in. The next step is to go to your Notion home. This is essentially your dashboard, where you can access all your existing pages and start creating new content. It's like the central hub of your workspace. Here you can manage and customize how you want your workspace to look and function. Next, we need to select a page where you'd like to add your code. Click on a page of your choice. This could be a new page specifically dedicated to storing code snippets, or an existing one where the code is supplementary to your main content. Once on the selected page, this is where the fun begins. Now here's the essential trick. Type in /code in the body of your page. This command will bring up the code block option in Notion. When you select this option, a neat code block will appear on your page. It's as simple as that. This feature is designed to help you format and display code lines in a visually appealing and organized manner. It's a perfect space for you to jot down code snippets, algorithms, or any technical details that complement your projects. As you write, Notion will automatically format your code in a way that's easy to read and understand. The code block feature not only enhances the aesthetic of your page, but also makes it functional for team collaboration or personal documentation. It supports a variety of programming languages, which you can specify for syntax highlighting, ensuring your code is clear and properly showcased. To recap, we've logged into Notion, accessed our main workspace, navigated to the home page, selected a specific page, and inserted a code block by typing /code. With these easy steps, you can effectively manage your code in Notion, keeping it all organized and accessible. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Enjoy your enhanced coding experience in Notion, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Happy coding!